Good evening, dear children. In this class, we are going to discuss about the syllabus and formalities related to class 11. First of all, I would like to welcome you to the new class. Though new, hope we'll have no problem with our subject. Okay. And what is the thing that we have to do? We have to be very careful in understanding the syllabus, in understanding the topic, and hope there will be no problem in solving all the topics, in understanding the topics. And we have to develop our skill so that we can manage all the things skillfully and properly. So this is the first online class, and here we are going to talk about, I'm going to discuss English literature as well as language. Kindly go through the video properly.
Now, your paper consists of 100 marks per language. And question 1, a composition will be there for 25 marks. We have already done such thing in previous years. Question 2, we have directed writing, article writing, book review, film review, or cultural program, speech writing, report writing, personal profile, and statement of purpose based on suggested points for 20 marks. Now, this one is very new to us, so we need proper practice for this one. Now, it has second part, that is proposal writing based on given situation. The proposal should include the heading, statement of objectives, list of measures for 10 marks. This is also very new to us, so we'll have a deeper discussion about this particular matter. Hope that will not create such problem. Question number 3, that is short answer questions. Actually, we have grammar here, and we have structural grammar, as well as we have to show the uses for 20 marks. And question 4 is comprehension, that is for 25 marks. So last two parts are not that much unknown to us. So question number 2 is going to be different to us. Otherwise, everything is same as before. Now, candidates will be required to select one composition topic from a choice of 6. So you have 6 topics, and out of 6 you have to take one. And these topics are similar to the previous year topics, but the number of words has been increased. Before it was 300 to 350, now it is minimum of 400, maximum of 450. But it will be easy as we are aware of this one. Now, next one is going to be question number 2. There are 2 parts in these questions, and it is emphasized both parts are compulsory. That means both you have to attempt. The piece of directed writing will be based on the information and ideas provided. The required length will be about 300 words. Candidates will be required to write a proposal based on a given situation. The candidate's ability to decide it on the set of measures to be taken in a given situation will be taken into account. A heading and an objective must be started. It is extremely new since we are going to practice this one hard, so it will not cause much problem. Keep it in mind, number of words will be plenty. Now, what thing we have to do here? We have to work extremely hard, and we have to work very smart, and hope we will succeed.